Your YouTube thumbnail is getting ignored? But why? Stop wasting your time. Hello dear friends, me 𝙔𝙤𝙪𝙧. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe my channel for more informative videos. If your thumbnail are not working, no clicks, no views, no growth, then this video is exactly for you. Today I will show you why your thumbnail is failing and how can you fix it instantly. Remember that no click equals to no views. No views equals to no growth. Your queries are there. Number 1, change your thumbnail after 24 hours because your thumbnail works as magnet. It will attract your viewers like a magnet, as you can see in this video. Second, the most important step is to choose high CTR. The third one is create suspense in your thumbnail. Your thumbnail should not be like a newspaper, or you don't need to add a lot of text in your thumbnail. If your thumbnail looks like a paragraph, people will scroll past it. Thumbnail is not a newspaper, it's a click magnet. Remember that if your thumbnail is boring, your video is invisible. Follow my channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.